about what a mindset is and the difference between a growth and fixed mindset.
A growth mindset is a mental attitude. It determines how you interpret and respond to situations. Your mindset is also known as your attitude. It's about how you think and feel rather than what you can or can't do.
Scientists used to believe that no matter how hard you work at it, sometimes your intelligence stays the same. Now, it's believed that everyone has the same chance of being just as brilliant as the next person. It is about having the right attitude. Henry Ford once said, whether you think you can't or you think you can't, you're right. Also, we will work to the slide, asking the audience whether this scenario of a growth or a fixed mindset. I can learn anything I want to. It's a growth or fixed mindset.
I'm either good at it or I'm not. Is it a growth or a fixed mindset?
When frustrated, I persevere. It's a growth or a fixed mindset.
When frustrated, I give up. Is it a growth or a fixed mindset?
I want to challenge myself. It's a growth or a fixed mindset.
I don't like to be challenged. Is it a growth or a fixed mindset?
When I fail, I learn. It's a growth or a fixed mindset.
When I fail, I'm no good. Is it a growth or a fixed mindset?
I learn from criticism and follow advice. It's a growth or a fixed mindset.
I ignore criticism and advice. Is it a growth or a fixed mindset?
Now look at a photograph of the baby happily learning to eat, walk, and talk. What might the baby be thinking? Now look at a photograph of the older children taking this, push up, and stop. What might the older children be thinking? What would group thinking is very different. Which would have a growth mindset and which would have a fixed mindset?
Now let's talk about some real life growth mindset stories.
Let's spin the spinner!
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs was asked to leave the computer company he had created. He overcame all obstacles and continued to work hard on a new venture. Apple now speaks for itself.
Let's spin the spinner!
Albert Einstein.
Einstein did not speak until he was 4 years and did not start to learn until he was 7. His parents and teachers were very worried about his slow progress. As an adult, he won a Nobel Prize and changed the face of modern physics.
Let's spin the spinner!
Walt Disney.
As a young man, Disney was fired from a newspaper office because he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. He then started a number of businesses which all failed. He repeatedly tried again and eventually found a recipe for success, which worked.
Let's spin the spinner!
Michael Jordan. The champion NBA basketball player of his generation experienced failure after failure in his early career. He was cut from his school team, lost over 300 games 26 times, failed to make the winning hoop.
Let's spin the spinner!
J.K. Rowling.
The first book published in history, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, told her that they would never sail. The 13th publisher told her to find a new job and that she would never make money from writing children's books. But the 14th publisher loved it.
The lives of people want us to be different if they have this mindset.
The next time that you are finding something difficult or stuck or have made a mistake, follow these first steps. First, hear your mindset voice. Recognize when fixed mindset talk is being used. Second, choose to adopt a growth mindset. You should consciously make the decision to change and act in a growth mindset manner.
Speak with a growth mindset. Talking with a growth mindset statement that we have discussed. Act with a growth mindset. Act with a growth mindset. Try again. Listen to advice. Seek advice. Act in a growth mindset at different times.
We have been learning about growth mindset in class. These videos show examples of how a positive attitude can help us to learn.
Why is spelling so difficult to learn? I just can't remember them.
If you spend 10 minutes every evening revising them, it's much easier than to try them and learn them all at once. Have you tried look, cover, write, check? That really works for me.
You can use the handwriting sheet on Google Classroom to help you.
I love the world search. Thank you guys. I will try this next time.
Kids, go get your vegetables now. Okay. Mano, please go get your vegetables.
But why we need to eat them?
Well, it's because you have to. It makes you really healthy. Mano, come on, just try something new.
But I hate vegetables.
Chill, Mano, there's no reason to cry.
Come on.
I don't see any vegetables. Mano, lunch is almost over, so you better get your vegetables and be quick about it.
Okay, fine.
I'll come with you. 5 more minutes.
Sherry, you try it first because you liked it.
Okay. See, Mano? It's not that bad.
This really tastes good. I liked it.
So, Mano, are you gonna eat vegetables from now on?
Yeah, I will eat more because I liked it.
Well then, lunch is over.
Oh, Daddy, you got very good results on your exam.
Thank you.
Well done, Kaka. You got 96%. Thank you. Babe, you'll never be good at math. You only got 9% on your previous test. Sorry.
Okay, then you'll get better next time.
Yeah, I guess it's true. I will never be able to be good at mathematics, even the teacher said so.
Babe sad because he got 9% in his math test.
Don't worry, you might get one this test.
Joy and Kaka are trying to cheer him up.
You're right, I have to try harder.
Later the next summer break, Babe began to be working hard in mathematics. He worked all day and night studying hard. Then the next test came.
Hi, well done. You got very good results again.
Thank you.
Kaka, you got a lot of metric. Thank you. Babe, you've improved a lot. You got 100% on your math exam.
See, hard